Wanted to give a little tutorial on how to waterproof your tile grout.
How to with BREW City Builds.
The process is pretty simple. You only need a few things, so let's go through them. I was doing a bunch of research on what sealant to use, and after a bunch of information and a bunch of confusion, I ended up just asking my tile guy, and he said to go with the 511 Impregnator. It only needs one coat and it lasts for 2 to 3 years. I also got a foam brush that's around the size of my 2x2 tiles, but I think you can use a brush or a sponge or whatever you want. I'm using an old yogurt container, but feel free to use whatever you want that you're going to be able to dispose after. I don't know if I need to do this, but I already taped off the tub in the case that there's any fallout when I'm doing the application process. You don't have to do this step, but I'd probably suggest it. Anyway, let's get into it.
Start with clean, dry tile. Pour. A little goes a long way. Definitely recommend wearing a mask. Apply on the grout lines. Work in 3-foot sections. Apply to the next 3-foot section, while the other one dries for 3 to 5 minutes. Wipe off excess once it's dried. Get all the little nooks and crannies. Wipe. Wipe. Keep applying. Let it dry. And wipe some more. Same goes for the floor. Apply. Let it dry. Wipe. The floor is so much easier than the walls.
Alright, it's been 24 hours and the grout is officially dry and waterproof. I based this how-to video off the instructions I read off the back of the 511 Impregnator. The process is pretty much the same for all grout sealants, but you may need to do things a little different if you use another product. So be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions on whichever one you decide to use. The porcelain tile that's installed in this shower is already waterproof, so I only had to focus on the grout, but that may not be the case for you, so definitely do your research before you start this. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to hit me up in the comments section below. And if you want to see the total bathroom renovation, definitely hit this link so you can check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video helped. Bye!